Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to give you a very brief overview update regarding H1B recently proposed rule coming up. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. So in this video, I really want to give you just a very brief overview of the newly proposed H1B visa rule that is going to impact you if you are within this category. So the change number one, or the update number one, is in the prevailing wage. So that means the prevailing wages will go up. So there is going to be increase in prevailing wages, and that's significantly going to impact the ability of these employers to even hire you. And by the way, I have my personal story to share, which I will at the end of this video, so you definitely want to stick around because I personally have experience with H1Bs. Number two is going to be redefining the relationship between your employer and you. So employer/employee relationship. There is going to be scrutiny, there is going to be monitoring whether you are really working for this particular employer, whether you are working on location, etc. Because there are many relationships like this that are really fraudulent, they are non-existing, and they were just taking advantage of the H1B situation. This employee were underpaid and so on. So really the intention behind it is to scrutinize the relationship and monitor closely what's going on with the relationship between you and your employer. Number three is the length. So the visa initially was and are issued for 3 years, and they can be extended. Now, if there is going to be third party involved that is going to be hiring you, it's going to be only for 1 year. So the visa will be issued for 1 year. They can be extended for another year, but there is going to be a shift in the time. So the length is going to be adjusted from 3 years to 1 year only. So these are significantly going to impact the relationship between you and your obviously employer, as well as the job length, as well as the visa length. And lastly, another impact is going to be within the definition of skills, specialized skills. As you know, H1B visas were issued to people who either graduate in the United States, or they have a master's degree from United States, or they have equivalent when it comes to the bachelor degree. Now, there is going to be a new definition of what it means to be within the category of specialized skills. So you have to meet this requirement in order for you to even qualify for H1B visas. So many of these jobs will not even be available within the category of H1B. So these are the upcoming changes that are part of the new proposed H1B visa rule. And now I want to share with you my story. So I moved to United States 13 years ago. I am immigrant from Slovakia, literally moved with $700 and without really speaking English. I got accepted to one of the best law schools, graduate law school. Once I passed the bar exam, I was looking for employer, H1B visa employer, and this was, by the way, a long time ago, 2010. Now, I could not find H1B visa employer, and my OPT was about to expire. Literally before expiration, I found somebody who was willing to sponsor me, and we actually filed for H1B. And the moment we got the request for additional evidence, this employer vanished. So I was not able to really get the H1B visa because I could not submit request for additional evidence. And that forced me to start my law firm. That's the reason why I am actually doing these videos, because this is part of my law firm, ImmigrationBiz. I'm the founder of ImmigrationBiz. Since then, I have helped many people like you and me to get to the United States legally, live in the United States legally, and mostly I basically started to focus on entrepreneurs. The reason is because I was forced to start my own business. That was the alternative that I invented for myself. That was the solution I created for myself, and that is the solution I'm proposing for many people like you who cannot actually get H1B and who want to stay in United States legally. So in my next video I will actually talk about, and I will dive deeper into this, how you can obtain investor visa E2 status for entrepreneurs. And meanwhile, if you want to dig deeper, I'm going to link specific case study below this video that is going to show you step by step what to do if you don't qualify or if you cannot apply for H1B, and what are your chances to actually live in the United States legally. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. If you need to talk to me more about your case, you can book a consultation. I'm also gonna link that link to book a consultation below this video. Otherwise, stay tuned for my upcoming video where I will talk about the E2. And I'm also gonna link these two videos for you. Definitely check them out because they will actually open up new possibilities for you, what's possible. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye.